Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So someone requested Geera Channa and I thought, why not? It's another vegetarian option. So today we're giving that a try. So join me today as I show you how easy this one is going to be to make. We're going to start in our pot over medium heat and I'm adding in oil. I'm using avocado oil. To that we're going to add in some fenugreek or methi seeds and some Geera or cumin seeds. You want to go a little heavier on the Geera seeds. I would say about a half of a tablespoon or more depending on how much you like. We're going to allow that to toast until the seeds start to turn a darker brown color, but don't let it burn. Once the seeds start to turn a dark brown color, we're going to add in some chopped onions and some curry leaves. Be careful when you add the curry leaves because they can splatter. In goes pimento peppers and hot peppers. And we're going to saute this until the onion is light brown in color. Don't burn the onion. Just allow it to get tender, sweet, and light brown. After, we'll add in some minced garlic. And we'll cook the garlic until that is tender and light brown in color. Be very careful because you don't want to burn the garlic. If you do, it will taste very bitter. Now we're going to go in with our soaked channa or chickpea. This is not canned, but if you wanted to use canned, you can. Add salt and green seasoning. Now we're going to give this a mix and allow it to fry up in here for about 5 minutes. The channa is raw, guys. It's not pre-cooked. So we'll have to add water to help this cook down. So I'm going to add enough water to cover the grains. If you're using canned channa, add half of the amount of liquid. Cover and allow it to cook until the grains are tender. This should take about 40 minutes. You can also do this in your Instant Pot if you like, or in a pressure cooker. Once the grains are soft, make sure it's soft. You want to check it. And then we'll add in our Geera. Now this is roasted ground Geera. And I'm going to add in about a tablespoon. Add more or less according to your preference. After all, it's Geera Channa, so you really want that Geera taste. And now we're going to allow this to cook down in here in that Geera. Cover it and allow it to cook. You want the sauce to start to thicken and dry down, and what will happen is the channa itself would absorb that Geera flavor. Now I'm going to take the back of my spoon and smash down on a couple of the grains just to help thicken it a little. And once you do that, you'd want to taste and adjust your salt at this point in time. I'm going to let it continue to dry down further. You see how it has darkened and it has taken on a beautiful dark Geera color. That's what you want. So now I'm going to finish with some freshly chopped bandania, cilantro, shadow beni. Mix that in and then this is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you for requesting it. Do remember to stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.